Okay, my name is Mirabel Susangalo from BSIT 1C, and this is my midterm examination in C++. Okay, let's start. First is, nag-input ako ng hashtag include iostream para mag-function ang ating cout at yung cin. Next naman, yung ating using namespace std at yung ating class na basketball. Yung basketball is nire-represent nito ang ating player. Tapos yung endpoint, integer is naman, yung points naman yung kanyang nire-represent. Next naman yung ating public. Public natin is basketball, tapos open and close parenthesis string, tapos yung P as a player, tapos curly braces, tapos lagay natin yung player equals P tsaka point 1. Tapos cout tayo ng player has joined the game. Tapos kapag yung player natin, nilagay natin si Jordan, example si Jordan, yung magiging output natin dito is magiging player Jordan has joined the game. Okay, check natin. Okay, ito siya. Ito. Player Jordan has joined the game. Ito. Kung nakikita niya, sir. Okay, back na tayo sa ating code. Next, dito naman tayo sa void update score and new point. Dito naman siya nag-update yung ating score. Pati dito, kung wala dito sa cout natin, player total score points. Kapag sinout natin, ganito yung lalabas. Ganito siya. Jordan total score 7 points. Ganyan siya. Okay, back na ulit tayo sa ating code. Dito na tayo sa ating class, my class. Is magsisi-out na tayo ng constructor called, tapos cout ulit ng destructor called it's clean up the data. Tapos sa int main, my class, tapos obj as object, tapos magsisi-out tayo, end line natin para may Tapos basketball player, Jordan. Tapos yung player 2 naman natin is Lebron. Tapos sa player update score, okay, ganito lang siya. Tapos sir, and player display score. Tapos kapag naman siya, sa cout na natin yung greatest of all time. Pag yung ating output dito sa ating code is ganito siya. Ayan. Constructor called, thus destructor called is clean up all the data. Player Jordan has joined the game, and yung next natin is player Lebron has joined the game. Okay, try natin mag-add ng score kay player Jordan. Wait lang, try muna natin. Dito siya. Okay, copy muna natin itong player 1, update score. Copy. Tapos, paste natin dito. Lagay natin is 2. Bali, lalabas dapat dito is 9. Run. Ayun. Jordan total score is 9 points. Okay, si Lebron naman. Check natin si Lebron. Copy. Paste. Lagay natin is 3. Bali, lalabas dapat dito. Hindi. Lagay na lang natin is 2. At lalabas dito is 8. Okay, waiting. Ayun, Lebron total score is 8. Okay. So, ayun lang po. Thank you.